Hi there. I'm Linda Hunt, founder of SumSolutions and the author of The Money Conversation. So if you've ever felt like a client relationship isn't quite working anymore, but you're not sure how to bring it up without risking the whole thing, this video is for you. We're going to talk about renegotiation and why you shouldn't think of it as a rebellion, but more like refinement. Because not saying anything when a relationship has changed isn't keeping the peace. It's self-abandonment, and that creates resentment. The real reason most people avoid talking about renegotiation, it's not logistics, it's fear. They've been with me for so long. I should just stick it out. I don't want to make it awkward. These are the things we're thinking, right? So we stay quiet, you over deliver, and you absorb the costs both financially and energetically. But here's the thing I want you to know. You didn't do anything wrong. You're evolving, and your agreements need to evolve with you. So I want to reframe this for you, right? Because agreements aren't fixed. They are living. And when the scope or energy changes in a working relationship, the structure should too. Renegotiation does not mean confrontation. It means clarity. You're not demanding more. You're offering a choice. So it doesn't have to be dramatic, and it does not have to be confrontational. Sometimes it's as simple as realizing this agreement no longer reflects the work I'm doing. And from there, you usually have one of two choices. You update your terms or you return to the original scope, right? It's that simple. But holding that boundary, saying the words, choosing the tone, feeling safe enough to have that conversation, that's the part that no one teaches. And that's exactly what I walk you through in the renegotiation workshop. Because it's really about nervous system, right? If your nervous system tightens at the idea of this conversation, you are not broken. You are just human. Because most of us were never taught how to renegotiate with confidence. We learn to soften, absorb, but the longer you delay having the conversation, the more your body is keeping score. You start to dread calls. You resent the client, and eventually clarity gets buried. So you don't need to be fearless. You need a process that helps you feel safe. And that's exactly what this workshop is designed to give you. So this video was just the beginning. If this is where your pricing wobbles most, I want you to start here. Renegotiation is one of 6 trainings inside the Pricing Essential series. These workshops are modular, they're a standalone concept, and they take you from what you need to know now and helps you implement that into your business. So you can start here, come back for the others when you're ready, or bundle and save. These are built to give you structure, language, and nervous system support to lead your business from clarity. So click on the link below. You're not too late. You are right on time.